Sana, kasih mangga dulu lampu tembakmu. Lampu tembak. Mantap. Oke. Liman. Oke. Halo guys, sekarang jangan lupa klik subscribe dan aktifkan loncengnya. Jangan lupa di share ya.
Kalau waktunya ke sana ini perasaanku. Karena aku bulan di sini. Lalai perasaanku.
Bintang Timur sudah masuk di landasan area parkir. Di bus yang tujuan Malini sementara pengecekan di bagian belakang.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change. Had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. go, change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Teman-teman, jadi sekarang saya berada di Terminal Dayak Kota Makassar bersama Afif. Mantap. Jadi inilah suasana Terminal Dayak. Ini ada bus bintang Katulistiwa Scania K360 IB tujuan Suarako. Busnya sudah standby juga, siap berangkat. Bintang Timur sudah masuk di landasan area parkir. Oke, tujuan Topoe sudah berangkat. Mantap. Jadi tujuan Malili sudah siap juga mau berangkat. Nah, di depan ini ada bus tujuan Palu, Sidendreng.
Mati ke YouTube itu, Pak. Apa tuh nenek?
Nanti buka silat kena. Mantap waktu. Palu. Si foto 77 berangkat. Mantap. Dana, kasih nunggu dulu lampu tembakmu. Lampu tembak. Mantap. Oke. Liman. Oke. Tujuan Malili sudah, let's go. Mantap.